All right, let's pay attention to this question now. It reads, the sum of four consecutive odd numbers, odd numbers is 80. Find the numbers. The numbers are odd, all right? Though we don't know the numbers, the only thing we know about them is that they are odd numbers and their sum is equals to 80, all right? And the numbers are four. They are four, okay? And four of them are odd, all right? So in order to find them, we can simply say, let the numbers be A. This is the first number. And the second number is going to be A plus 2. Because it is odd number. And you know that after even number, you see odd number. After odd number, you see even. Alright? So we are going to jump that even to enter odd number. Okay, that's what we are adding to here. Okay, if we add 1 here, it will be even. All right, if we add 1 here, this will be odd and this one will be even. All right, so because they are odd and this is odd, now once we add 2 to a odd number, it's going to give us another odd number. Okay, but once you add 1 to a odd number, it's going to give an even number. All right, so here we're adding 2 here, then the next number is going to be A plus 4. Okay, we jump another even number to enter odd number. All right, and the next one is going to be A plus 6. All right, so these are our four odd numbers, our four consecutive odd numbers, and their sum is equals to 80. So we're going to add them together and equate them to 80. So we're going to have A plus A plus 2 plus A plus 4 plus A plus 6 equals to 80. All right, so follow me. Let's add our A plus A, 2A plus A, 3A plus A, 4A plus 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12 equals to 80. All right, so let's collect like terms. All right, so we're going to have 4A equals to 80. This 12 will pass over to this side. It will be minus 12. All right, so we're going to have 4A equals to 80 minus 12 is going to give us 68. All right, so now for us to find the value of our A, we have to divide both sides by 4. That is the coefficient of this A. And dividing it, we are going to have 4A over 4 equals to 68 over 4. 4 cancel here 1, cancel here 1. 4 cancel here 1, 4 cancel here 1, remainder 2. We put that 2 here. 4 cancel 28, 7. So our A is equals to 17. All right. Our first odd number is 17. All right, that is our A. Our first odd number 17. Then our second odd number is going to be 17 plus 2. All right, which will give us 19. All right, so our third odd number is going to be 17 plus 4, which will give us 21. And the last odd number, that is the fourth odd number, is going to be 17 plus 6, which will give us 23. As simple as that. So our odd numbers are 17, 19, 21, 23. All right, so please don't forget to like this video and share it. Follow my page for more videos. Thank you very much.